Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect in Minecraft. First, let's explore the various methods available for joining a game. You can connect to a friend's world directly, join a public server, or access a private realm. It is crucial to ensure your game version is compatible with the world or server you intend to join. We will cover each of these options in detail, helping you get into the action quickly and smoothly with your friends or new communities. To join a friend's world, you have a couple of options. For local multiplayer, make sure both players are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. One person hosts the world, and the other can simply select the Friends tab to find it. For a direct connection over the internet, the host will need to provide their IP address and the specific port number. Enter these details into the Direct Connect option to link up and start playing together. Public servers offer a vast array of experiences. To join one, head to the multiplayer section from your main menu. Here, you can add a new server by inputting its unique IP address and port number, which are usually found on the server's website. These servers often host hundreds or even thousands of players, providing diverse game modes like survival, creative, or minigames. It is a fantastic way to meet new people and explore different playstyles. For a more private experience, consider Minecraft Realms or setting up your own private server. Realms are subscription-based services that allow up to 10 players to join a persistent world. To access a realm, the owner will send you an invitation code. Private servers, on the other hand, give you complete control over the game environment, allowing for extensive customization and dedicated play with a select group of friends. Both offer excellent ways to play without public interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.